This is where you'll go when you want to schedule a pickup, okay? So this is once you get an order, it asks you to print label. You'll come to this area right here. Then you go to schedule a pickup. Schedule a pickup, okay? That's on your order page. Whenever you get an order for eBay, they send you an email. They say ready to print shipping label. You'll come to this screen right here. I don't want to show you the customer's information. Then you scroll all the way down to the bottom. It says how to ship. You schedule all the way down. It gives you instructions to pack your item, print your packing slip, print shipping label, and then ship it. You can find a drop-off location or you can schedule a pickup. A pickup for your eBay store. This is how you go about doing it. Once you get an order, you select schedule pickup. You go to this site right here. You put in your information. You let them know there are no dogs at this address. You let them know where the item will be placed. If you select regular mail delivery time, is no fee. But if you have a scheduled pickup time, it's $26.50 at my location, in my area. Then they have a calendar where you can select when you want the item picked up. I normally have everything scheduled for next day delivery. So the post carrier will scan your package and you will receive an email stating that your package has been picked up. So you have no worries about tracking, okay? So if you don't have transportation or you have a whole bunch of packages you don't want to tote to the post office, you can schedule your eBay orders to be picked up at home. And I hope on here it asks you how many packages are they picking up. They ask is a priority mail, priority express, USPS ground advantage. They ask you to put the weight on there. And they ask that you read and understand and agree to the terms. Once you fill out all this information, then you can hit schedule pickup, okay? Schedule pickup. Simple as that.